Short Computer Services, and here is another internet security appliance called by RapidStream security appliance. And I thought, and I've been taking screws out, I thought maybe this one's gonna be more interesting than the SinicWall. So let's take the cover off. Wow. All it is a regular computer with some proprietary stuff on it. Let's tear it apart. So this is your antivirus in a box. So you got the network card with inputs and outputs and DMZ, which is basically input-output right away. Some PCI angle converter. And I got some memory here, not much, 32 megabytes, 32 megabytes, not much at all. This is an older board, and older because it still has the ISA connector on it. Not that many boards that have ISA on it. And power supply and a hard drive with, let's see, 10 gigabytes. 10 gigabyte hard drive. I have not seen those in a long time. This is like a trip to yesterday. It's fun taking these things apart. You know, some time ago this was the hot stuff. Oh, look at this. AMD K6. This processor here is worth a lot of money in recycling. I only have one. I've been researching this recycling stuff, and apparently these processors, the ceramic ones, have a lot of gold in them. So AMD K6 450, 1998. Cool. So we got ATX power supply. Nothing really unusual, just a regular computer in a flat form factor. This could be easily turned into a server, although it's just too old. There's not much that can be done with a server like this, so dump yard it goes.